Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that, Sagittarius. So let's start with these cards. We have Stock, Tower, and Rider. So, with these cards, Sagittarius, some powerful changes are the order of the day. Something sudden is coming. It may be a sudden surprise, making you feel really happy. Maybe in your work, you are getting some important news about something, some projects or some deals, whatever it is. It is something that is giving you happiness and it is taking you towards your dreams and goals you have in your work circumstances, aspirations to achieve. And these are sudden changes coming to you, something you never expected. And even in this relationship, some changes, maybe if you are in a connection, you see this person coming to you to tell you something important, and that news is something really unexpected. It is making you really happy. Maybe this relationship is moving towards marriage, or they are planning to start a family with you. They are wishing for all the good things with you, guys, this person. So it may be their energy towards this relationship or your energy towards this connection. And Sagittarius, if you were in some difficulty, if you are in some difficulty today, you are going to see drastic changes taking you towards something good. And this person is changing. For some of you, I see that you are um, getting someone new. Maybe it may be someone new, someone interesting coming towards you, ready for this relationship with you. But if you are already in a connection and maybe you were seeing some difficulties in this relationship, maybe some misunderstanding, some argument, whatever it was, all that is resolving, guys. And circumstances are changing for the better. Things are going to go in a very positive way in this connection. So, for your relationship, we picked one card and it says Sun. So, with this card, I can say that these changes are also something really positive. Positive turn of events are what I see for you today. Sagittarius, things are falling into place in this relationship, in your life. You are going to be extremely happy about your circumstances, way things are going. And maybe you're starting a family, having a child together. And this is a very positive card here, guys. It just means that all those blessings, abundance, prosperity, and happiness is going to reach you today, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We picked one card, House. So you are moving towards a stable and secure future. So you have everything you want. You have everything that you have wished for today in this relationship, in your career also. So you are building a very strong foundation for your future in your career circumstances today, Sagittarius. So that is the energy with this card. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. And it's going to be a very exciting day for you, Sagittarius. Exciting and happy. So that is the energy with these cards, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I have that pick a card love reading coming up right now. Stay tuned for that, Sagittarius, if you are interested. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the first card for y'all, for those who chose this card. Red Riding Hood, Rites of Passage. So that is the card here, guys. So in your circumstances, maybe you are trusting someone that you cannot trust. Maybe this person may have some mask, maybe they are hiding their true intentions. They are trying to be really friendly with you, trying to groom you or influence you in some ways, but they are doing that to harm you, guys. So you must have a clarity today, have clarity. Be really aware of the people you are with, maybe whom you should trust and whom you should not trust. So you must be really discerning. That is what this card is about. And you need to remember who you are and what are your capabilities and what are you and what is your life path. And you need to be focused. You should not give in to any distractions coming your way. So you should not be deceived by appearances also, guys, because appearances are deceiving. So you should see your circumstances with your heart, not with your head. That will give you clarity. And you must stay on course, maybe whatever dreams you have for your life. You must stay towards that. Be really focused. You must stay safe. Because right now, your situation, in your circumstances, you are losing focus and you are maybe thinking of something you need not do, maybe giving into some temptations and trusting people whom you should not trust. So you must be really careful, guys. You must stay focused to your goals and the purpose of your life. And in your heart of hearts, deep down, your instincts will tell you what you need to do. You should go for it. You should trust your instincts, and you must always remember who you are, what are your goals, and you must also be aware of your, what to say, of our own nature, guys. Even all of us have goodness and bad qualities, good and bad qualities in us. So we must be really aware of those bad qualities and be really good. Try to be good and try to be that person who is always positive and who is always focused. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to be really careful about whom you trust today. That is the energy with this card. So for those who chose the second card, so that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. So we will keep this card aside. We will see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Soulmates. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So with this card, the energy is that soulmates are people who come to us maybe for a short time or for a long time, but our relationship with them is the reason for some change that happens within us. So, soulmates can be friends or family members, but they are your greatest gift, guys, because they are here for a reason. So, in a relationship, when we have that deep attraction, that bonding, perfect bonding with this person, love, that love that overwhelms us in a very positive way, that changes us. The same way, some soulmates, what to say, they cause a strong aversion in us towards them, maybe hatred also. So these relationships, these soulmates just break us down and they help us to realize what we are deep down, what are our uh, characteristics, and it just brings out our true nature. So no matter whether this relationship is a good one or a bad one, you are in presence of a soulmate, and you need to pay attention today, guys, because this person is here to give you a picture of yourself. So you must be really aware of what is happening right now. Be really mindful of your circumstances today. And this relationship is going to give you that emotional and spiritual growth, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.